Hey, what's going on, YouTube, my family, and my friends? Excellent Dreams here, back with another exclusive video for you today. Hey, all right, so check this out. I got this bird here. As y'all can see when I zoom it in, it's some work. I still got a few more stones to lay into this, but as y'all can see, it's some work. I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten up a few of these stones, get it looking extra so fancy. And then we're gonna mock this thing up. Mock it up, mock it up. So I'm just getting all my stones on the edge here, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and equal space this row here. Boom, boom. Do the same for this one here. And this one. So I don't know if I'm going to DTF or sublimate this. I'm probably going to do both. I'm going to start off with sublimation though. I'm going to make it real colorful on a light color shirt. Bada boom, bada bing. All right. It's looking good. It's looking good. I gotta hand place these because they just didn't set in there right with the software. But sometimes you just gotta go in there and do it manually so that you get them right. Get it right how you want it. Right how you want it. All right, we're moving along. I'm almost done here. At least I feel like I'm almost done. Anyway, gotta fine tune and check all my stones. Just fine tune and check all my stones, y'all. Equal space this one. Can't wait to see what this one looks like. This one is going to be dope. Dope boy magic. Almost done. All right, let's get this yellow up here. What color we want to put on? Let's put this color here on it. No, let's go with this lemon over here. Nice and feel. Let's give it a quick island feel. Right. Looks good. I'm cool with that. Straighten this out right here. Boom. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Do it again with this yellow up here. Give it a quick feel. That means that it's too small to try to get multiple islands in there. So let's just do one island feel. All right. Moving right along with the design, y'all. Keeping it smooth, making sure all of the stones are equally spaced. Liking it. It's looking good. Definitely looking good. I got a few more spaces to actually fill. And then we're gonna go for that. I'm gonna mock this up. I want to see what this looks like as a mock-up. Then I determine what all colors to do. See, that's not what I wanted. Let's nudge those out. I just wanted these to be that lemon color. Let's nudge those back in. Nudge the hand back in. Let's see if we can get some of these lemon color stones right in here though. Like all we can. This is going to be one colorful bird shirt. I'm just laying them in there. And I'll do my equal spacing here in a minute. Boom shakalaka. Now let's do it this way. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm liking it, y'all. It's gonna be lit. This is going to be lit. Hmm. I still gotta finish this chain here. Yep, and I was halfway done with this chain down here. I'm just going through here, y'all, and I'm just pressing the space bar, just popping stones in there, like so. That way, chain on his wrist gonna be dangling, you know what I'm saying? The way he be shining. Yeah, almost done. Let's keep it moving. I gotta do this to his necklace as well. Guess I can jump right into the old mock-up that I did before I started going super crazy with the stones. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. Wait a minute. All right, check this out. Go to the other mock-up right here. Let's see. I did the first mock-up. What was the first mock-up? Yeah, first mock-up, as y'all can see, zoom in here. Like all of this wasn't fixed as far as the stones go. I'll probably get a few more stones down in here. Didn't do the hand yet. I did do the diamond club there. So we can actually delete this one. delete that page. So then we have this one. And as y'all can see, when I start removing the color from behind the stones, those are just all rhinestones, y'all. Let's go ahead and delete this mock-up as well. Let's go ahead and grab this one, mock this up. I don't want to hit simulate stones here because if I try to hit simulate stones, we have a whole lot of pieces in here that are just by themselves. And actually, what I really want to do, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and get my chain. We might actually do that and reflect it. I'm going to just go ahead and smart fill all these areas inside for my chain. Yeah, we might just go ahead and do those. Definitely and reflect it. I'll pop out. Yeah, I know I love my reflect. Finish getting these here. Few more. Boom. Weld it all together. I guess we can turn it yellow for now. Let's turn it white. All right. Yep, got that part. Now let's get this green here real quick. Let's place and fill. Let's island fill that. Clear the path, merge overlapping stones. I'm cool with it. Know what to do with it. Chop and screw with it. Looks like we can get another stone on that row. Bink 'em. Pull that up in there. Slide that little fella right there. Don't mind if I do. Let's go ahead and connect this right here. We're gonna have to equal space it to give it some room. Give me some room. Give me some room. Space that right there. Actually taking one away. All right. Boom. Okay. Looking good. We'll space that. Equal space those three. All right. Gotta get this orange over here. Yep. I can tell y'all right now, putting this together is going to be like a puzzle. But I am up for the challenge. Definitely up for the challenge. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right. Let's just put some on this line right here as well. This is a very detailed bird, y'all. Parrot. There we go. All right, so we got everything except for this piece right here. And I think I'm okay with that. fix this diamond club here. Boom. So there we go. All right, I like it. Let's get it. These little tidbits right here. Let's go ahead and give them a few more of those. There we go. Let's mock this baby up. Put it on a men's shirt. Let's go t-shirt front. Let's mock it up. Let Corel work its magic. All right, here we go. We already know this design is huge. Shirt needs to be just a little bigger. Like so. I'm gonna grab this diamond club and I'm gonna move it up a little bit. So I'm gonna use my freehand tool and just go in there and grab just the diamond club. I actually press Control G and group all of that together. Press Shift and then I'm gonna center it. I'm gonna click on it and ungroup it. Control, drag it up. Like there. That's looking good. That's looking good. So now let's get our colors going, y'all. Change our shirt to black. I think I want to start off with this with like a white outline, like so. We did the bird white. Can't even see him. So the bird definitely has to be black. Let's take all of these colors, send them to the back. Just hold shift as I select the colors, push them to the back. Send that to the back. Send that to the back. Fix this line right here. Send all of that. Send it to the back. Boom. Back. Boom. Back. Boom. Yeah. Send that to the back. Yes, to the back. Now that's the back. And we're going to simulate them stones and change them white. Then we're going to group them together. All of this stuff here, we're going to send that to the back. Okay, so there's just a stone. Yeah. All right. Let's send that to the back. This to the back. Hey, what's going on, Dad? You called me in the middle of doing a training. I'll call you back.
Okay, sure.
All right. Let's get a couple of these yellow stones over here. Looks like about 3 of them. I'll send that to the back. And whatever color goes right there, Okay, so we need to put the get the stones on that side as well. We go ahead and do that now. So let me get those yellow stones in there. For this red, well, that actually needs to be. Yeah, we can make that red. Put these maroon stones in there. I can look at it and tell that I can get a row in there, but I'm halfway there now. I might as well just go ahead and finish this. Yeah, I'm gonna just do a fill between two on this real quick. Control F, save your work, folks. Save your work. All right, let's do a quick island fill on this green. We know we got lime on top of that. Boom. All right, all right. Let's get these over here. Lemon colored stone. Surprised I can even see those. All right, all right. Back out. Here I come. Outside. All right. Back to our scheduled recording. All right. That's looking good for me. Definitely can spend however many hours on this. Put in a ton of more work. I can rhinestone all the black areas and just go super ham. I don't want to do that. That's a lot more work. All right. Thinking it's looking pretty good, even though like I can. Feel like I definitely can get a row of stones in here. Yep. Do it again here. In here. One more time right there. Boom. Let's equal space this way. Boom. And even though I did that, I still want to eyeball it. Put it right there. Let's do the same with this side. Still in between two. I like it. All right. Now for the most part, I mean, let's even get these parts right here. I get one more in there. Nope. Let's keep it simple. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Imagine if we just did this. We cut out the black vinyl, or we sublimated the black. We just add the stone. That'd be dope. But that's pretty much what I'm trying to get to is all stones for the parrot to where when you see it, you see it. I guess I gotta do this part down here too. Hmm. Let's just hatch fill that. I want to use whatever stones these are right here. I'm gonna highlight all of those and then change it to that color. We're gonna actually just go ahead and merge this color with this color that's welded together so we can see those stones right there. Couldn't even see them. Let me go ahead and lock this. Leave all of this. Oh, that way I can just fix these lines here. Boom. Oh, look, I could move him down just a hair. Boom. Let's move these to the edge. Look. Boom. Boom. Okay. All right. All right. I'm gonna have to be okay at some point in time, right? At some point in time, I gotta be like, all right, enough is enough, and just say that's the end of it. Want it to be dope. This shirt gonna be dope. I don't even think y'all hear me. All right. Man, I can even right here. Look. All right, I'm cool. If I see any like now, I want to do this. Do the diamond right here. We're gonna leave that diamond alone. I'm ready. All right, let's jump into the mock-up time. All right, here we go with our mock-up. I'm gonna move that shirt up just a little bit. We're gonna bring it out just a tinch. So I'm gonna go back to my free hand pick tool because I just want just the diamond club for now. Even though I centered the whole thing, I'm gonna group this together and center it to the shirt. Okay. Click on it, ungroup it. I mean, that's pretty good where it's at. I'm gonna just move it up just a hair. I want the shirt to be just a little bigger. Okay. Boom. Can I get it by itself? Let me see here. Oh, did I get most of it? Yep. All right. Control G to group it together. Center it again. Control U to ungroup it. Grab it again. I mean to. All right, there we go. I'm just dragging that straight up right there where it's supposed to be. Right across the chest. That's good. We can change this to red. Let's change all of those stones here. I'm going to select one stone and select all of the stones on the page, and we're going to simulate the stones now. Change them to rhinestones. So now I'm just about to get the grouping all of the stones together so that for each and every mock-up, I can change the stones at once. Boom. Select all of those stones, group them together. Boom. Select all of the red stones, group them together. Select all of the orange stones, group them together. Select all of these stones, group them together. Select all of these stones, group them together. Select all the blue stones, group them together. It's like 10 different colored stones. Select all the yellow ones, group those together. Select all the green ones, group those together. Select all the emerald ones, group those together. Select all the navy blues, group those together. Select all these Colorado blues. We're going to group those together. We're going to just change them cream for now. What else we got? Oh yeah, these aquamarine stones over here, these smaller ones, those didn't change because they were not the same size. So let's get all of those, simulate those, group those together, change those yellow for now. We got these stones right here. So what are those grouped with? Oh, they group with the yellow stones. Let's edit. Let's nudge those out. See, I didn't want those to be grouped together, so I'm going to ungroup all objects. We're going to group these together by themselves. Let's turn them to clear. Nudge them back over. Group these. Just nudge them back over. Let's see what we got over here. Okay. Let's nudge them back out. What's going on? We didn't even need those. Let's zoom in. Oh, they yellow stones. What's going on? Oh, okay. I see it. There we go. All right. You zoom in and out. Let's go ahead and just take these yellow stones, push them to the back. Select all of these blue stones here. Small blue stones are just right there. And in the diamond club. It was behind those. Yep. Let's delete those. We don't need those. Let's delete those. All right. So now, change that to white. I could have swore, okay, yep, all of that is one single. I did that in stones too. Ooh, I'm gonna have to. I just changed it for yellow for right now. Let's go with a clear diamond on this chest. So let's change those to clear. Boom. So that area right there must have been locked. Yep. So not bad. I like it. Imagine if we went with cream on his chest. What's going on down here? Okay. Let's get the rest of those. Change them cream. Let's group them together. Let's hold shift and group them to these two. Boom. There we go. So I guess if he gonna have the cream body right here, we can go ahead and go with cream over here as well. Boom. Yeah. And let's bring that cream back in up here with the cream stone. Mhm. There we go. Mm, that ain't bad. Let's go ahead and oh, why those look blue? So let's click on those, send those to the back. Let's click on these blues here. Select all those blues. Let's get those out of there. Let's just click on that, send that to the back, send the shirt to the back, in, boom. There we go. All right, let's add some. Go to our mockup tab and add some bling to this. Boom. I like to add one bling. I like to shrink it down just a little bit. And then press the space bar to go ahead and stamp multiple blings throughout the design. Press the space bar and drag, just pop them in there. Bing, 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 bing. You let go, they'll all pop up and show up. Looks fantastic. Probably want to add just a couple more. So I'll grab one, drag one, space bar, space bar, space bar, space bar, space bar. Let it go. There they go. Hit that space bar twice right there. Let's get up here into the name. Yep. So hover over it, grab it, drag it, space bar, 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 space, 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 space. All right. I don't even know why I put one right there. There's not even stones right there. I do need to finish the beak off. I'm gonna do that part. Might as well do the other black part. All right. I like it. Even though, let's go ahead and change this to signature red. I think it'll pop more like that. There we go. That's how it's supposed to look. Ba-da, ba-da. Ooh, what if we just took this off so you can see it more? That looks better. Ugh. There you go. See how you got to play around with it just a little bit to get to the finish line? Let's name this Diamond Club Parrot 1. It's actually Diamond Club Parrot 2024. Let's export this as a PNG. And you know I like to save it to my Xcellent mockups. Boom. Save that. Let Corel and the TRW wizard work its magic. Now that's just one. That's just one. A lot of stones on there, y'all. So it's gonna take some time to export this SVG or PNG. Okay, boom. It's done. So now that's the white shirt. I want to show you a black. You know, click on black. We're gonna right click on the white, add in the shadows and the highlights. Let's go ahead and do this one again. Ooh, look, right here. Yeah, let's leave it. Let's leave it white like that because with the power of DTF, we can DTF that and still press stones on top. It's gonna look good. And it's gonna last. Say that it's the second one. This shirt will be more costly because it will have the DTF print up under the rhinestone. The next shirt after this one, I'm going to remove all of the color underneath the rhinestones where there's no print. So this can be achieved by using um, all black vinyl and rhinestones. However many colors. I think it's 8, 7 or 8 different colors. All right, it's done safe. All right, so now let's get rid of the color underneath the rhinestone. I'm gonna click on them, hold shift. I'm gonna just send them to the back for right now. Send all the traces of the color to the back. So that it's just rhinestone. I don't want to delete it because I can bring them back to the front up underneath the rhinestones if I wanted to do another different color mock-up. But for right now, I'm just pushing all of the color to the back. I'm gonna leave some color just because. Like, I guess that yellow strip right there could have been done in rhinestones. The eyeballs could have been done in rhinestones. So as I'm seeing it now, I'm just critiquing myself, critiquing my work, and seeing how I can make it better. Ooh, might as well just go ahead and do all the rest of that in rhinestones, because it really don't even look right. Might as well just finish off the bottom of his beak and the inside part right here. Yeah, okay. But it's looking good though, y'all. It's looking damn good. Y'all have no idea. I'm excited. All right, let's change this to white. Boom. Let's change all of these. They are all the same size and color. Change those to white. Ooh, that looks so dope, y'all. Let's go ahead and move this to the back as well. Bring those stones out. Move this to the back as well. Bring those stones out. Mm, mm, mm. That's dope if I do say so myself. We can make that white. Pop it out. Mm, that's dope. Oh yeah. Move this to the back too. We working with just stones. Ugh. Of course, we're gonna have to move that to the back too. Let's just do stones up there. Ooh, let's go with a clear stone. There we go. That's premium. That's premium. Let's make his body yellow. Mmm. Let's go yellow up here too. There we go. There we go. Look at that. That was dope with mostly all stones outside of the vinyl. You know, the black vinyl that you'll use. You'll lay down a black vinyl and use that black vinyl to basically be the puzzle piece for your stone to lay in there. Let's say that is Diamond Club Parrot 2024 3. So to achieve this design, once it gets finished saving, I'll see what all I need to do to achieve this design. It definitely looks like it's uh however many colors you choose. Like, however you choose to cut the template out. You definitely want multiple colors. Definitely will want multiple colors to make it work. Make it look fantabulous, you know. All right. Tell me that don't look stellar, y'all. And all rhinestone. And all rhinestone. Tell me that don't look good. Smash that like button. Trying to get it centered up just right. That looks good right there. All right, so what if we was to change the shirt to ah a heathery gray, right? Boom. And I'm gonna put the wireframe on. That way I can zoom in. I'm gonna hold Alt, press right here, click right here to select that outline. Let's take it back to enhanced view. And we're gonna bring that just the outline to the front. Let's make it black. There we go. Boom. Let's save that as pair 3. I mean, we can change it around. Let's give them a, let's say we brushed in aquamarine stones right there. Ooh. So we give him an aquamarine chest. He gotta have aquamarine hands. He a tropical bird. Mm. Let's bring in some aqua right here too. Ugh. So we have the aqua. We need oh, this color right here. So we're gonna replace all this red with the blue zircon. Then all of this orange with like a I mean we can go green. Ooh, let's go cool teal. There we go. There we go. And then let's bring in the cool teal back in up here too. Bing. Uh-oh. Not on the outline. Let's zoom in. Let's get the stone. Cool teal. Zoom back out. That looks good if I do say so myself. We gotta save that. Let's save that as Parrot 4. Alright. I think y'all have seen enough. Till we meet again, smash that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos like this every day, multiple times per week. Stay tuned.